Step-by-step guide to polarizing the 3 planes. Keycap 1 Vertical plane polarization, head to feet, pushpin goal, align the body's top to bottom energy flow. White heavy checkmark placement, position the center of the magnetic rod on the sternum, between the Zipfwort process and the left breast. White heavy checkmark action, hold the rod vertically, with the negative, minus symbol, side, pointing upward and the positive, plus symbol, side downward. Rotate the rod 180 degrees, reversing the polarity, negative down, positive up. Hold briefly for a few seconds, to allow polarization to occur. Keycap 2 Horizontal plane polarization, left to right, pushpin goal, balance left and right hemispheres of the body. White heavy checkmark placement, keep the center of the rod on the sternum, but now horizontally aligned. White heavy checkmark action, position the negative, minus symbol, side, to the left and positive, plus symbol, side to the right. Rotate the rod 180 degrees, reversing the polarity, negative to the right, positive to the left. Hold for a few seconds, to allow polarization. Keycap 3 Anterior-posterior plane polarization, front to back, pushpin goal, normalize front to back energy balance, improving circulation and grounding energy. White heavy checkmark placement, position the center of the rod on the spleen, left side of the body, under the ribs. White heavy checkmark action, place the negative, minus symbol, side facing forward and the positive, plus symbol, side facing backward. Rotate the rod 180 degrees, reversing the polarity, negative back, positive forward. Hold for a few seconds, to complete the process.